Hi everyone, today we'll walk through how to permanently delete your Facebook account on both iPhone and Android. Remember, deletion is irreversible after 30 days, so ensure you've backed up any important data first. Let's begin. Step 1. Backup your data. Before deleting your account, download your data. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, which is three horizontal lines, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Select your Facebook information, then download your information. Choose the data you want, then tap Create File. Save this to your device or cloud storage. Step 2. Navigate to account deletion. For iPhone users, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, select Account Ownership and Control, then Deactivation and for Android users, tap the menu icon at the top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, select Account Ownership and Control, then Deactivation and Deletion. Step 3. Select Delete Account. To choose the delete account, then continue to account deletion. Facebook will explain that all data, including posts and messages, will be erased after 30 days. Confirm by entering your password and tapping continue. Step 4. Final confirmation. Tap delete account one last time. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. Do not log in for 30 days or the process will cancel. After 30 days, your data is gone forever. Step 5. Post-deletion actions. To avoid accidental logins, uninstall the Facebook app. On iPhone, press and hold the app icon, then select Remove App. On Android, long press the icon and tap Uninstall. And that's it. Your Facebook account is on its way to permanent deletion. If you change your mind, log back in within 30 days. Thanks for watching.